Folks, welcome back to another review. This time I have a new TV box. It's a new Rockchip based TV box, set-top box. It's based on Rockchip 3368. The brand name is CloudnetGo. It's a very nice looking box. It's an octa-core 64-bit CPU it has. Okay, that's a quick unpacking and I'll show you all the items inside. So let's start. Okay, remote control unit looks good. Quality looks okay. HDMI cable, of course. Power supply unit. 2.5 amps. That's the cable for the power adapter. And this is a USB cable for updating the device firmware. Okay, and the user guide, user manual. In English, of course. Okay, back to the box. Here's the box. It's made from aluminum material, completely from aluminum. You can see a nice logo of the company. Okay, in the front you have a power on off button and the display. On the right side you have an OTG USB connection for updating the device firmware, micro TF card slot here, and a reset also. On the right side you have additional 2 USB ports, of course. The box itself has an external antenna, as you can see. On the back you have analog connections including video, left-right audio, optical, coaxial, and HDMI version 2, the latest one, and a LAN connection, and of course the power. It's a very nice box. Like I said, it's a 64-bit with a 64-bit processor. On the back you have a series of venting holes also, you can see, all made from aluminum. Trans Lollipop 5.1, and it should be available in the market right now. So I hope you enjoyed my short unpacking of the product, and I hope you read my review in my blog. Thanks for watching, and bye.